Okay, today we will discuss about uh, computers. This is the last, few chapters are there of computers, and I will be giving you only some topics, only few topics which you have to learn in those chapters of computers, so that you may be asked one or two, maybe one or two questions out of computer chapters. So, Jasanjeet, what are the four chapters there?
Yes,
Computers. Chapter number 24. What is that? Accounts, chapter number 24. Sujal is there. Sujal. Chapter number 24. Fundamentals of accounting. Already in up to class 10th, you have studied about computers. You have been uh, learning it as a separate subject also. So what you have to learn in that is what is computer. It is a machine, electronic device machine, and what are its features, why it is very useful these days, right? You have to learn about it. What is computer, what are its features, and what are the advantages of using computer. What are the advantages of using computer? Turn on the camera, Sujal and Shruti. So the computers are very helpful for us these days, you know very well, and these are the advantages of computer. You should learn that it has high speed, it is diligent, it does not get tired, use memory. Shruti, can you tell some of the advantages or features of computer which you know, which you have learned in class 10th, 10th or 9th, 8th? Shruti, you are listening? Sujal, Shruti, some advantages of computers. Not getting the voice. Sujal, you are getting the voice?
yes, sir.
Some of the advantages of computers which you can tell.
Keep, it keeps us connected all over the world.
Yeah. Speed, memory, accuracy. It does not get tired, diligence, correctness, accuracy, speed, use memory, anytime it can be retrieved. These are simple, common characteristic features, you can say, or the advantages. Okay, mute yourself. Then hardware and hardware and software. Then you have to learn about hardware and software. What is computer hardware and what is computer software? Hardware means components, parts of computer, in which there is keyboard, there is mouse, there is uh, monitor, printer, all these are the hardwares of the computer, which you can see and touch, different parts or components of computer which are assembled together to make it work as a machine, which are assembled together. There is power supply in it, there is motherboard in it, right? There are different peripheral devices like monitor separately in desktop. There is, mouse, there is printer. All these devices are called hardware of the computer. And what is software? Software is a platform where computer on which computer work. There are different softwares for different works. Accounting, there is different software. Tally is one of them. Modeem G is one of them. So different softwares are there to do different types of work. Then then there is this in the schools also you have seen softwares are developed for the collection of fees, for the generation of salaries and wages for the employees, for the workers there in different payroll system that is called. For attendance also there are devices, computerized devices. No? So different type of softwares are there for different type of work. For each and every type of work, for designing there are different softwares. For documentation and other editing work there is MS Word, Office. Altogether it is MS Office, the software. There are different types of yes, of softwares ready made. Tailor made. These are the four topics which you have to learn. Just take a screenshot of this. Just take a screenshot of this or copy down. You don't have to go through all the chapters in detail. Only these topics will be asked in the exam because this is the basic knowledge which you should have about computers in any subject or in any field. This is the one which is required by us, right? Only these will be asked in the exam, these topics. What is computer? What are its characteristic features, advantages of computer, and what are the limitations also? What are the limitations of computer? There are some limitations also. There cannot be a personal interaction with the computer. Computer is not a human being; it's a machine. It though it does not get tired, but there's a lifetime estimated life of any machine though it does not get tired but can do a limited type of work. There are computers, if you are using designing software there, it will do that work only. Accounting software is there, it can do only that particular work. So you have to see which type of software is it you need for your work, different type of works. And about hardware and software, you should be able to tell about hardware and software, different types of hardware. I told you the devices which are connected, parts, components, which are assembled together to make a computer run, make a computer as machine, electronic machine, and then make it run. Different softwares are there on which computers work. In Windows, you see, Windows, earlier there were other operating system, DOS, disk operating system was there. Then with the time and advancement of technology, Windows is the most popular one which we use. There are different accounting softwares, different designing softwares, softwares for different type of works. One more topic which you have to cover in this particular chapter will be computerized accounting and manual accounting. What are the differences between computerized accounting and manual accounting? Means accounting when it is done with computers and accounting when it is done with the help of with the manual, with human being. So most of the places nowadays it is computerized accounting. There are softwares like Tally, Modeem G, accounting softwares with GST. So most of the accounting is done these days with the computers. But what are the differences? You will find in chapter number 26, I think, computerized accounting and manual accounting. Only 24, 25th and 26th chapter, उसमें से भी आपको सिर्फ ये these topics you have to do. Only these topics. No other topic will be asked in the exam other than these. So take a screenshot or copy down. Once again, I repeat: computer features and advantages. Hardware and software. I have explained to you what is the difference between hardware and software, why they are necessary. Hardware are the parts, components. Software is on which the computer runs. Different types of software are there. इसमें से आपको ये तीन पढ़ने हैं: ready-made, customized and tailor-made. Ready-made softwares are those in which you cannot do any editing or changes. They are made for you. Company-made softwares are there, games are there. They are all ready-made softwares in which there cannot be any editing or there cannot be any changes made by the user. Whereas tailor-made softwares are those which are made to meet the requirements of a specific purpose. They are made for a specific purpose, or they are made for some special type of work, like Tally. It is an accounting software. It does accounting work only. No other work can be done on it. MS Office for office and documentation editing work. Then there are designing softwares. There are softwares related to architects use those softwares, right? Softwares to for this, police department and others use. For medicals, there are other softwares for medical lines. So they are tailor-made software. Like tailor stitches our clothes according to our needs and demands, according to our requirement. Same way, these softwares, tailor-made softwares, are made for the requirement of the people. Last is customized software. They are the software, ready-made softwares in which, according to the need and demand, according to the requirement of the people, some changes are made, and it is made to fit, like a attendance software is there. It can be a common software in most of the companies, but some changes can be made in it according to the strength of the number of employees working, about the salary structure is different in different organizations. A fees collection software can be a common software in many schools or colleges, but according to the number of students in a school, number of teachers may be different, salary structure may be different, so there can be some modifications done. That is called customized software, again, which is meant for meeting the specific requirements of the people. So that's all. Our syllabus in this account is also completed. No more chapters there to complete. Computerized, jitna bhi hai computer mein, only these 4 topics you have to learn. Okay, and you have to get your notebooks checked within this month, before 31st. Today there is a lot of correction problem. Ansika, are you getting my voice? Amanda?
Yes.
Getting the voice?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay. So these chapters of computers, please pass this message also to others. Only these 4 topics you have to read, study in computers. जितने भी चैप्टर है उसमें 3-4 जो चैप्टर हैं कंप्यूटर्स के, only these topics will be asked in the exam, because these are the important ones, and important means they are relevant to us. At least you should know about computers this much in the syllabus. Other than that, nothing will be asked, so rest assured. So this is over from tomorrow. Tomorrow is 26th. There will be no class. but 27th onwards we will start the revision. Okay, 27th onwards we will start the revision in both accounts and business. So be ready, get your notebooks checked. 27th onward you can bring your notebook to the school and get it checked. 27, 28, 29 and 30, 31st. These days you can bring your notebooks for correction, all the subjects, and get them checked. Everyone getting? Jasanjeet, pass this message to all. Okay? Yes. So tomorrow, 26th of January, and day after tomorrow से आपकी revision जो है start हो जाएगी. And be prepared for your exam. Get your notebooks checked on time. Thank you. God bless all of you.